Hey everybody, thanks for coming back to my channel. So today we're going to show you how to make your own dumbbells. So I have Julie here with me, and yeah, so we're going to show you what we need for the dumbbells. So let's go through the list. Okay, so the first step is that Julie's gonna cut this to size. So make sure that you cut it to size of depending on what your container is. So Julie's gonna cut this one and she's gonna drill holes at the end of each end of the pipe. So Julie already cut the pipe and now she drilled a hole through it. So make sure it goes all the way through. As you can see, there's a through hole there and a through hole there. Okay, and the next step after you've drilled the holes is to put the pipe on top of the container and trace it. There you go. After you've traced the pipe, you're going to carefully use a utility knife to cut it out. I prefer to cut it into an X and then start to cut out the ends. It will not come out perfect. It will not come out perfect, but make sure as long as the pipe fits in there. The next step is that you're going to insert the lid onto the pipe, and you're going to insert the nut and bolt. The point of this nut and bolt is that once it's inside the cement, it doesn't slip off. And you're going to do that to both of the lids. Okay, the next part is the fun part. So we're going to add water to your container. Add just a little bit. And then you're going to add the cement. And you're going to add cement and water as needed. This is where our mixing spoon comes in, and you're just gonna mix it. And so yeah, you're gonna add cement all the way to the top of the rim, and you're gonna keep mixing it until it starts to get a little bit hard. We're almost getting to the top. One of these is equivalent to 11 pounds. Okay, so after you've mixed it, you're going to put the pipe and you're gonna wiggle it so it can go all the way to the bottom. Once you feel that it's already been at the bottom, then you're gonna seal the lid. So that's one side. Okay, so we just finished this and we're gonna wait for the cement to dry before you can do the other side. So once it dries, give it a couple hours. You're going to do the same thing for the other side. So the first thing you're going to do before you do the other side, you're gonna insert the lid, then you're gonna put the nut and bolt. So after you're done mixing the second container, you're going to turn it around, insert it into the bottle, and then the tricky part is that you have to prop it against the wall so that way it doesn't tilt over or anything, and that way it can stay straight. After it's complete, then you're gonna start using the spray paint. That's where the fun comes in. Okay, so now once this is done, you're gonna spray paint it. Julie, you're gonna spray paint. End result should look like this on both ends, and then you spray paint it. Alright guys, that's the end of the video. I hope it helped you make some dumbbells at home. Thank you, Julie, for coming over and mixing the cement and spray painting this. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys soon.
Bye!